perform the operations indicated. So first we have to check what kind of operations we have here. When we don't have any sign, it's always multiplication. So we have multiplication, subtraction, and multiplication. The order of operations for integers is the same like for rational numbers is the same like for integers. So first we have to do multiplication, then subtraction. So we will multiply these two first fractions. First we have negative and negative number. When we multiply negative times negative number, or we divide two negative numbers, we always got positive answer. So negative times negative give me positive. So we forget about negative sign now. And we have 4 over 5 times 1 over 4 minus, and here we have two positive numbers to multiply. Let me rewrite this. We have 3 over 4 times 4 over 5. So this is equal. Now we have to check always when we have multiplication of fractions if we can reduce something. How we reduce? We divide numerator and denominator by the same number. So we have 4 and 4. We can divide by 4. So it will be 1. And in the second multiplications we have also 4. Divide by 4 and 4 divided by 4 is 1. So now we can do multiplication. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 1 is 5. We multiply fractions. So numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, minus. Again, numerator times numerator, it will be 3. Denominator times denominator, so it will be 5. Now we have subtraction of two fractions. How it was? The same like subtraction of two integers. First number is smaller than the second. Compare numerators because the denominator is the same. 1 is less than 3. So how we do this? When we have subtraction, first number is smaller than the second. First, always subtraction, we can change to addition of opposite. So we copy first number, plus will be change subtraction to addition. Opposite to 3 over 5 is negative 3 over 5. So this is equal. And now, when we have addition of fractions, so we can say rational numbers, one is positive and negative, we use the same rule like for addition integers when we have one positive and one negative number. First we check which of these two numbers is greater. 3 over 5 is greater than 1 over 5. So we next check the sign before the greater number. It's negative, so we copy negative sign, and in parentheses we subtract from the greater number smaller. Copy negative sign, subtraction of fractions, we copy the numerator and we subtract numerators. 3 minus 1 is 2. This is my solution.